Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite accountability partner. In this video, I share my 6 month hair growth challenge update. So if this is your first time, you're welcome to the channel. And if this is what you love to watch, consider watching the video to the end. If you have any hair concern and you also are in the journey to grow your hair healthy and thick and also able to retain your length, then this video is for you. Make sure you don't go anywhere. So this is like a recap of week 1 to 6 when I started the hair growth challenge. So I have a playlist where all the weekly updates are in, so you can decide to go and check it out if you're just joining. Yes, so the playlist is titled Hair Growth Challenge 2025. So this is the 7th week where I'll be refreshing my braids, and the previous video I posted was when I washed the hair. So this is the next day, what it looks like before beginning the refresh.
Hello guys, I'm back again. Yeah, it's time to refresh my braid. I think I just completed 7 weeks, so it's time to refresh it. 7 weeks in total, but 4 weeks for this mini braid. Yeah, the first 3 weeks was mini twist, then I refreshed it. So now this is 4 weeks of this mini braid, and it's time to refresh it because it's already rough. So I washed the hair yesterday. You guys saw how the hair was looking like before I washed it. Yeah, the video. I'm sure you've seen that one. So today, this is the next day. I washed my hair yesterday, and then today I'm refreshing it. Yeah, I've started. Let me show you guys the back. Started doing it here. So you all, I'm in my lazy girl era. Like, I know I'm doing an hair growth challenge, but I'm actually in my lazy girl era where I just, even if I'm unable to do the 3 times weekly routine that I usually do, at least once. I do it once in a week. Yeah. So like, I don't know. I just realized that there's always changes during your hair growth journey. So it doesn't always have to be the same way when you start from the first year of your hair growth journey. So because like so many things that I used to do before, they've changed, and yeah, and my hair is growing regardless of that. Like when I relax my hair once in 3 or 4 months, and now I'm stretching longer, and I'm still able to retain my length. I think it's just about knowing your hair and how to manage it, especially when new texture comes in here. So yeah, we're doing it, okay? Because I'm actually saying this because there's a lady that dropped a comment, and she said that she's inspired by my videos, and so like I'm feeling butterflies. I'm so grateful, and I'm happy that you people find my video inspiring. Yes, and yeah, thank you so much for always watching, for always supporting. I love you. I love you guys so much. Like, I love you guys. Okay. Yes. So aside that, then she said that she's lazy to do hair care routine and all that. Baby girl, I'm also in my lazy girl era where I don't do a lot that I used to, but like I still do them, even though I don't do as much as I used to. Like I said, if my weekly routine is usually what 3 times in a week. Once in that week, I moisturize with my leave-in conditioner. Then the other 2 times is just to apply oil on my scalp. But now I probably just do the moisturizing routine alone, or just the scalp massaging alone for like once in a week. Okay. But the major thing is that whenever, like if I do that during the week, whenever it's time to refresh my braid like this, I don't joke with it. I always pamper my hair because it's when you are taking down your hair, that's when you either lose a lot of hair or you retain your hair and have less hair breakage. Okay, so I always pamper my hair when it's time to take it down. Like I take my time. Like I said, I wash my hair today. I pre-pulled. I deep condition as well, and the hair is really moisturized. So if it's time to take it down, if at all you did not do so much during the week or the month where you are in your protective hairstyle, when it is time to take it down, make sure you pamper it. Make sure you take your time. Okay. Take your time to moisturize it like a day before you take it down, so that it will absorb everything and soften the lower part, because this is like the major part where all the side is like the major part, because they get matted because of the longer period you carry the hair for, and the product you use as well. So just, you can do this, okay? You can do it. You can do this. I believe you can do this. So that's just it. I'm going to refresh this hair off camera, because it's either going to take me another 4 days again to complete it. But I want to try to be fast. I want to try to be fast, at least probably by the end of today. Since I'm not going anywhere today, that's why my take down process is usually when I'm free throughout the day. Like, I have all the day to myself. Yeah. So yeah, I'm waiting for you to. You can do this, okay? Regardless of how lazy you are, you can do it. At least you do skincare routine, so you can just add extra 10 minutes to that your skincare routine for your hair care. You don't have to do too much. You don't have to do too much, okay? Just do protective hairstyle and once in a week routine. Then you now put all your major focus and care and pampering when it is time to take down the braids, your protective hairstyle. So that's just it. You don't need to do too much to grow your hair, okay? So I'm going to go back to this. You guys, it's so hot. Like, it's very, very hot. That's why I'm like this. You can know vex say I did like this, but the weather is too hot. Like, very, very. The way I'm sweating, I'm not go feel because of video. They make a call overall. At the there's fan. The worst part, there's no power supply. So, my dear brothers and sisters in Christ Jesus, I'm really sorry for looking like this, but it's really hot and I need fresh air. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys. Let me do this. If you don't see me today, then it will be tomorrow. You know, if I end up finishing the refreshing today, you still know. So yeah.
Hello guys, I'm back again. You guys, you're not going to believe how many days is this is, like, from the last one I did when I started refreshing my braid. So remember, I started refreshing my braid on Sunday. I don't know if I mentioned that day was Sunday. Yes, so I washed my hair on Saturday. Then I started refreshing it on Sunday. And yeah, today, guess what today is? Today is Friday, you guys. I've been refreshing my hair and, stopping, relaxing, doing it again, like, do part of it. So on Monday, I did part of it, and on Tuesday, I think I finished on Wednesday. Yes, I finished it on Wednesday, but yesterday, Thursday, I was very tired after work that I couldn't do any video. So today's Friday, and it's finally time to show you guys. And this is like, okay, it's not yet 1 week after refreshing it. So tomorrow is going to make it 1 week. Or no, no, on Sunday. Okay, yes, in 2 days time to be 1 week after washing my hair. But anyways, it is what it is. So this is what the hair is looking like after refreshing it. I don't know. It's looking okay. You guys can see my scalp clearly, right? Because I've refreshed it. Yeah. So I'm going to do what I'm going to do. You guys should see. So I think it's the down part is now looking refreshed. So I'm gonna be using this yeah, this water, this herb water. Yeah, I this is a mixture of rosemary, cinnamon, and fenugreek. Yeah, with black seed. So I'm gonna spray it on my scalp. Remember the last time that I applied my oil on my scalp, I didn't spray anything. So, but this time around, I'm going to be spraying it with this my Ayurvedic tea or water. But in this case, today is with the Ayurvedic tea. Then I will apply my Vedic oil to massage it. You guys, we are almost out of this. Then I use my hair butter to seal up the hair strands. So yeah, this is basically what I'll be doing now. So let us just dive into it. So if you've gotten to this part of the video, kindly give the video a big thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if you are yet to, and also make sure this thing is on your scalp. Yeah, on your scalp mostly. On your scalp, because you're trying to nourish the scalp. It has a lot of benefits. It has a lot of benefits. So you damp your scalp and then you oil the scalp with your hair oil or any hair product you are using to seal up your hair during this journey. So yeah, I'm going to massage it a bit. Yeah, I'm going to massage it a bit before I apply the oil, and also massage it a bit. So let me do that off the camera. Yeah, because I like to take my time to massage my scalp. So I'm going to do it off the camera and then come back to show you guys what it's looking like after our audio process. I'm going to show you a part of it where I'll be applying the oil on my hair strand, the hair butter, then the final look of the hair and the back. So
Yeah, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're yet to join the family, and also if you are yet to start your hair growth challenge, you can still start now. Okay, no time is too late. You can start at any time. You can join the challenge now. Okay.
For the mixture of the hairspray, remember I mentioned fenugreek, and fenugreek helps to combat dandruff and scalp dryness due to its moisturizing property. Black seed also helps to strengthen the hair follicle and it reduces hair loss. Cinnamon helps to stimulate blood circulation in the scalp and it brings more nutrients to the hair and promotes hair growth. Rosemary as well also helps to stimulate hair growth. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're yet to, and yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in my next update. But before I go, this question is for you. What's the most noticeable change you've observed in your hair? The length, the thickness, or the overall appearance since we started the hair growth challenge? So you have to be specific. Have you noticed that your hairline is filling in or you have more volume at the root of your hair? Let us know in the comment section.